Hello YouTube, I'm Justin.
Alright, let's get it.
And we're gonna be opening up a Prismatic poster collection. Finally got one.
It's taken 20 years to get these.
Seemed like it. Then we got the binder, and actually got a couple of these binder ones. This one's already kind of
Open.
well, it came out of the box like that from Safari Zone, but
They got a little lazy.
well, yeah. Some of these have like super glue, and others the glue is just wimpy.
Really?
Well, we can look at the binder. Even though it's, I mean, it looks cool. It's just a standard binder, but it is pretty cool. Who's it made by?
Warzone?
No.
No.
They just sell stuff.
Yeah.
I meant like, is it made by like Voltex?
Or
Really? You can just put it behind you. Alright, so that binder comes with 5 packs. Poster collection. Is there no code card? I guess there wouldn't be a code card for the binder collection because it doesn't come with promos. But here's the promos for the poster collection. If I can get this off. I cannot.
don't break it.
That's go crazy. There you go. And then the poster collection only comes with 3 packs. So we have a total of 2 packs. You gonna show those off? There you go.
Layer on.
Yep.
What card we don't?
Go card.
Jolteon and
Orion.
Orion.
Alright.
Such a wonderful.
And then just real quick,
These are Pokemons.
the poster is bigger than I thought it would be.
Good luck trying to put that back.
Oh, it's actually a pretty cool poster. Upside down. Think of bigger?
Yes.
Oh my. Okay, this thing is ginormous here. I can't even get it on the other camera. You guys get the point. We'll just put that over there. We'll fold that up later.
We should
Who's
keep.
going first? Riley? Okay.
We should keep it.
Well, I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm just, like Kaylin said, folding it back up might be
Yeah.
possible. That was a lot bigger than I was expecting.
Yeah.
Here,
Right. Sorry. Sorry. There's one. Yes.
Yep. Fire.
Press. Water. Oh, shiny.
Wait, oh, it is a shiny one.
Shiny.
Holographic. Black belts training.
Such a
Dusclops. Hippopotamus.
good problem was.
Houndor. Yeah, that one.
It doesn't Gigas.
Great Tusk. Bronzor. Fritzy. And Ultium.
Jolteon.
Let's put it there. Oh, right.
Man. Orange.
Y'all keep coming back. Lightning.
Dark. Water.
Excuse me.
Oh, another shiny. Yeah. That's grass.
Wow.
That's Fox. Diesel. Eggs. Carbine. Got a Speakoon.
What, is it a Pokeball?
Yeah, it's just
It's still cool.
Applin.
A Leafeon.
Leafeon.
But
Wait, I have a good idea.
Pokeball is pretty cool.
Maybe we can have. We can also put these Pokemon. See how many evolutions we get?
Here. Okay, there.
Evolutions.
We'll sleeve up this Pokeball one.
I mean evolutions.
Like that. Little energy.
Water. Item. Another shiny?
Wow, 3 shiny energies in a row. Wow. Dunsparce, Houndor, Applin, Goldeen, Bug Catching Set, Briar, King, another Pokeball, Applin, Espeon Reverse, and an Ursaluna. Blood Mooners. I do like these Pokeball patterns.
It is cool.
They look really cool, especially in the light.
We got 3 evolutions.
Yep. Doing pretty good on the evolutions, but none of the really good ones though.
So we need to get that Umbreon.
But this will probably be one of our last openings of Prismatic, because I'm just not gonna fight the crowds or
Right.
overpay for. I'm not gonna pay from like buy from a scalper or anything. Steel.
Psychic. Water. Oh. Shiny?
No. Unshiny. Dracloak. Rilladon. Research.
Powdon.
Yeah. Hypno Radar. Oh.
Whirly.
Festival Grounds.
Hold him too tight.
Great Tusk.
Okay.
Another Pokeball. Oh. Oh, cool though.
Man. You're gonna get Justin with these days.
Yeah, she's gonna cut my head off and go card. Steel.
Lightning. Fire. Oh. I said water. Lightning. Rotom. Slowpoke. Lupo. And Karen. Execute.
Ooh, Vaporeon. Oh, we're
We
getting,
got 4.
getting a lot of the evolutions.
Now we need Flareon, Jolteon, and Umbreon.
Yeah, we had no Umbreons.
Yes. That's sad.
Psychic.
What the? Lightning.
Alright. Furfru. Rylu. Friends
Your name
and
Riley is there.
Paldea. Lopunny. Peking. Yeah, that.
He goes,
Code breaking. Explorer's Guidance.
we could,
Suicune.
I think.
And an owl.
Ooh.
Yeah, I heard the set isn't very nice on getting good hits. Yeah, I've watched a couple other people open. It's pretty brutal.
Meh. How do you spin it like magic?
You need ninja start. Psychic.
Water. Grass.
She almost gave away the good card.
Sorry.
Fairy.
Woohoo!
Another owl. Creepy.
Creepy.
It rhymes. Meltank. That one's creepy.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
Kieran. Greentail.
Ah.
Angry Jigglypuff. Secret Art. Chutney. Black Belt's Training. And Growlithe.
Last pack.
Last pack.
This set is not very nice.
No, and that's another reason why I'm not gonna overpay for any of this. No.
Meh.
I really wanted some surprise boxes, but they're going for $100 when they retail for $22, and I'm not paying it.
Okay. Steel. Grass.
Lightning.
Oh. Hey.
Another hollow one?
Yeah.
Nice. Even if I was a millionaire, I wouldn't pay for the scalpers, just for the principle of it.
Yeah. Larvitar. Belt. Cute. Weasel. Amazon. Radar.
Orion. Is that a...
It's Pokeball.
That's still cool.
Botany. Oh.
Twins.
Triplets.
Triplets.
Yep.
And then you got the promo that came out of the box, so quadruplets.
Quattros?
We have the corner market on Vaporeons.
Yep. Yep. We got a lot of Vaporeons to move it.
Yeah. I still like the set. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
No Master Balls this time. We got Master Balls last time. Maybe the ETBs have better hits. I really don't know. But what do you say?
Subscribe, see you in this video. Bye.